Welcome to today's review on the Tripp Lite SMART1500LCDXL 1500 VA rack mount UPS. This UPS is genuinely impressive, offering dependable battery backup, smart surge protection, and an intelligent LCD interface that makes monitoring effortless for anyone, even beginners, with a sleek 2U rack mount design that fits neatly into standard server racks or can be set up vertically with the included adapter for flexible placement. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this UPS at the best price in the market. Right from the start, you'll notice its 1500 VA/900W rating, which is perfect for supporting multiple devices such as computers, networking gear, and small servers simultaneously. And its 8 NEMA 5-15R outlets ensure all your essential devices are covered without the need for additional power strips. The SMART1500LCDXL also supports expandable runtime via the optional Tripp Lite BP24V15RT2U external battery pack, providing an additional 30 minutes at half load and 11 minutes at full load, which can be a real lifesaver during unexpected outages when you need to safely save your work or keep critical hardware online. One of its standout features is automatic voltage regulation, or AVR, which corrects brownouts and overvoltages without even using the battery, keeping your connected devices operating at safe 120V levels while extending battery life. The UPS outputs a modified sine wave in battery mode and a clean sine wave in AC mode, ensuring minimal total harmonic distortion and protecting sensitive electronics from damage. It also includes advanced power features like user-replaceable internal batteries and an RJ45 Ethernet port that provides data line surge protection up to 100 megabits per second, giving an extra layer of security for network equipment. The large, rotatable LCD screen is another highlight, allowing you to clearly monitor voltage, runtime, load, battery status, and operating mode at a glance, making it simple to assess performance without needing technical expertise. Additionally, the build quality is solid, and the compact short-depth design means it fits comfortably even in tight rack spaces or smaller workstations, making it ideal for both professional IT setups and home offices. While it comes at a slightly higher price point than some basic UPS units, the investment is worth it given the advanced features, expandability, and long-term reliability that Tripp Lite is known for. You will also benefit from the 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty and $250,000 ultimate connected equipment insurance, providing peace of mind that your devices are fully protected in the unlikely event of failure. The setup process is straightforward, and the included instructions make installation hassle-free, while Eaton's support team is easily reachable via phone, web, or email for any questions or troubleshooting, which is invaluable for first-time UPS users or those managing multiple devices. Overall, the Tripp Lite SMART1500LCDXL is a high-performance, professional-grade UPS that combines reliable battery backup, advanced voltage regulation, user-friendly monitoring, and robust protection features into a compact, flexible design, giving you confidence that your equipment remains operational during outages, surges, or brownouts. The optional external battery pack adds flexibility for longer runtime, and the UPS supports both rack mount and tower configurations, so you can adapt it to your environment easily. It's perfect for anyone needing a combination of performance, reliability, and convenience in one device, whether it's for protecting home servers, networking equipment, or business-critical devices. Don't miss out on ensuring your devices stay powered and safe. Check the link in the description below to get your Tripp Lite SMART1500LCDXL today and experience uninterrupted power with smart features that make a real difference.